Model 2013 Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 2.0 CDTI 115 PS, short wheelbase, STD roof EU5. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 191107. MOT, the 12th of December 2024. Engine, 1995 CCM9R 115 bhp, Euro 5, B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, runs on easy start with a diesel knock, needs multiple injectors replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. This van has been part converted into a camper in the rear. With loads of potential and the sky being the limit, this could make a great family getaway. Some of the key features have already been installed and just require some TLC to get it over the finish line. Features: parking sensors, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.